welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 9th, 2020, and I wanted to give an update on how the strawberry seedlings are doing. And these are ready to transplant. These here are the Tuscana, I believe how you pronounce it. And these here, I chose to grow these in a flat. So I'm going to be transplanting these out of this flat into one of the grow bags. And then my other varieties that I'm growing is an heirloom Temptation, an heirloom Tresca, and an heirloom Alpine Alexandria strawberry. And I started these from seed, and I do have videos on my channel and an entire playlist on how I started them from seed. All that stuff is in there, so you can check that out in the playlist. So we're going to get these transplanted here, and we'll be right back. So this is one of my grow bags here, and I already have it filled with pre-moistened potting mix, and I mixed some Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food into my potting mix when I put it in here. And I made my soil nice and moist. Now this got to sit for a few days, so all the water is it's soaked in to my soil here, and I'm going to be planting my little plants in here. Now this can hold 8 plants, but I'm only going to put in 5 plants. And the reason why I'm only going to put in 5 plants is I want to give this room to grow. Now the Tuscana strawberry, it is a hybrid, but it's from my understanding an ever-bearing strawberry, meaning that it should continue giving. I do plan on keeping it in the greenhouse even in the winter time, and hopefully with the lights and stuff it's going to keep giving for me. So I'm peeling this back here. You can see I have my soil right here. Go. And let's see, I'm going to put one there. I'll put one over here. Okay, so I finally got these peeled off here. And I'm just going to take my little shovel here. And I'm going to gently scoop under this here and get my little strawberry out here. I'm on my own with the camera today, so okay, you can see the roots on these. Really nice root systems there. So I'm just going to take this plant here, move it over to the bag here, and I'm going to start with this one here. So I'm scooping a hole out in this here, and I'm going to put my little strawberry plug down in this. Go. Just putting it down in here. Go. Now I'm firming it in so I don't have any air pockets. Go. Okay, there we go. So that one there is all in there. And I'm going to move on to the next one here. Scoop this one out of here. Here we go. Well, Has a really nice long taproot on it there. Just gonna make my hole here for this. Put this in here. And I'm gently working it in. I don't want to damage the roots on them. I am going to, you're going to lose a few of them, but so I'm going to finish getting this planted up here, and I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more. So I'll be right back. So I decided to only put 4 plants in this. It's going to give them more room to grow. I want to see how it does. I'm going to be transplanting this one into just a regular container then. I'm going to mix the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food in with it. And I'll have a link down in the description for that plant food. So I'm really looking forward to trying this particular variety. I know it is a hybrid, but I'm still looking forward to trying it. Now the next thing that you want to do after you get your plants planted in is you're going to want to give it a nice thorough watering. So I'm just going to start giving this some water here. And I will be putting more drain holes in the bottom of this. The wind's really starting to pick up outside. That's what you're hearing, the wind's blowing everything. And by watering this, what this is doing is it's settling the soil in so that you don't get air pockets. Now this could have been more in the center, but after I had it in, I really didn't want to take it back out, so I don't want to damage my plants. And you want to let this bag lay for about 2 weeks, and that'll allow your plants to establish the root systems in, and then you can go ahead and hang it up. So this is nice and watered, and I am going to label it. I'm going to put a label in it so I know which ones these are. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now, I will be doing videos for transplanting my other ones into the regular containers, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that will tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!